Hey guys, I was finally able to find some batteries for this stupid camera. My glow plug controller's cracked, so I have to use my override. I disabled the built-in one, the factory one at least. A little more. You can see that. There you go. But oil pressure is really good at just under 60 pounds. But you can hear the tapping I'm getting. You can hear it right there. There it is right there. Oopsies. So, like I said, I think it's a lifter. I did find some excess valve lash on the number 1 exhaust valve. It's not much, but I could definitely fit a feeler gauge in there. I didn't see exactly what size feeler gauge I could fit, but I know you're not supposed to be able to fit a feeler gauge in there, at least not a very large one. But like I said, this is my first time dealing with this kind of problem, so I really don't know what it is. I just hope it's not anything severe. But short of having the factory glow plug controller disabled, it starts up fine. The oil pressure comes right up. Let's see if you can see that. Okay, it's in neutral. The oil pressure comes right up. It's sitting just under 60, and if I rev it, over 60. And I mean, the lowest it's ever gone is right above that line in between 0 and 40, which is about 20 pounds. It's never gone below that. So I don't know, but I'm thinking it's a lifter. Hopefully you guys will know more than I will. Thanks. Bye-bye.